rabbit, now decked out in beautiful red finery. Let's get to meet the weapons. Now we have the Lydmila-D from Häkke and the Jabberhäkke. As I said, I am doing these two weapons in tandem because, well, I don't like to edit and don't like to cut stuff, so I will be switching to back and forth. Now, I just got this Lydmila-D from this week's Arms Day, and as you can tell, it has beautiful perks. It has Head Seeker, always good on a pulse rifle, and it has Full Auto, also always good on a pulse rifle, so these are going to work very well in tandem. But since I just got these weapons, we're just going to look at the base stats. My Jabberhäkke, I know a lot of you think sidearms are kind of meh, but they can be very useful whenever paired with the right weapons. This one has reactive reload and hot swap, so these two work very well together as well. Again, not fully upgraded. Unfortunate drought of weapon parts. I've also recently got the Suros JLB-47. This is just a footnote in case I get heavy ammo, but that is a little unlikely. And mine has tracking, of course. Unfortunately, I kind of lost the one that had grenades and horseshoes, but that's not too important. So, anyway, yeah, a little bit about the guns. The Jabberhäkke, of course, max rate of fire is a pretty decent sidearm. Sidearms don't exactly have a lot of variations. Sure, some of them have slightly higher impacts. This one's a bit on the higher impact side, but it's a little hard to tell between the categories, so I'm just going to use sidearms as a whole category in of itself. And I really like sidearms, by the way. The Lydmila is a higher impact pulse rifle compared to others. I mean, here's the Nerwan's Mercy that everyone loves using so much, and if you compare it, it has less stability, but more impact, and slightly higher range. Okay, decently higher range, lower reload speed. And actually has slightly higher fire. So, well, yeah, high impact pulse rifles category of itself. I'm going to call these ones sledges, so that we all have a baseline as to what I can talk about if I use other things. I'm always going to refer to high impact pulse rifles as sledgehammers, because that's what they remind me of. Anyway, onwards to today's daily rumble. In we go. Let's see how we'll do. Let's hope that I get some decent kills. And if I don't, you can all enjoy a good laugh at me. So, there's that. Boy, I guess I'm going to join one that's in progress. Oh well. Happens. Oh yeah, sorry I haven't put up a lot of stuff recently. I was a little distracted with some other games that I haven't been able to stream. All in all, while Fallout 4 has come out, I'm not planning on doing a stream for that. Also, I'm planning on kind of holding off until I finish Syndicate in the first place. But other news, ooh, heavy ammo round. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. I don't think anyone's gonna see me coming. Of course, they're gonna.
Heavy ammo available.
And yep, sure he got me with a chaperone, but I got him with my sidearm. So depending on how many, oh no. As you can tell, this is a little unstable, and I'm really annoyed when my phone works weirdo stuff with my system. But anyway, as far as the Lydmila goes, not a bad pulse rifle. A lot of people like to use it. One of the more higher end ones. Whoops. jumping around like a little rabbit there. Kind of annoying. Anyway, let's see. Ooh, people coming right at me. Right behind me. I should have stuck with my Lydmila there. Oh well. Well, Hacksaw got me. Let's see where. Okay. Again. Hey, crap. Jumped in from the top. Got him. And of course, like, the moment I turn my head, someone's waiting right behind me. Typical.
5 minutes
This
remaining.
is so incredibly typical. Except this time I know exactly where they're coming from. And of course, they would have a super. I don't know what it is with my luck in this game. It's every time I turn a corner, odds are somebody has a super ready for me. Okay, admittedly, not the most stable gun. The Lydmila does have a lot of kick to it. Which is probably one of the reasons that my ass is being handed to me, aside from probably my bad crucible. Yep. The beautiful part about sidearms is that they have more range than a shotgun, and they fire faster than a pulse rifle, so there's that really nice little
They've almost won.
niche, as I say whenever I get murdered by another pulse rifle user. Pulse rifles are a little OP in Crucible right now. Oh. But if you can get the headshots, you can definitely do very well with this gun.
Heavy ammo available. Let the
Nope.
sting of this defeat feed
Well,
your fire.
you know, normally I'm only to one game per review, but I got thrown into this hornet's nest late, so we're gonna do another round. We're gonna do another round with this, and hopefully I'm gonna do a little bit better this time. What do y'all say? Anyway, it gives me a little bit more time to talk about my my guns here. As you can see, this is a higher impact rifle. While the rate of fire is near max, like every single sidearm, it's got a decent range for a sidearm, of course. Keeping in mind that these are not as good as hand cannons, so that is always the thing. Its reload speed is a little lower than a lot of other ones, but you can just hear those pop, 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 boom, down, dead. One of the things that these guns do very well is fire from the hip. Sure, I aim down the sights from time to time, but it's good for an emergency hip fire whenever they're... If you pair them with a pulse rifle, you have a really good combination there. Sure, you're not going to exactly rock at long range, but if you pair them with the right one, you will do very well at mid-range and close range, because the sidearms, they cover for that little area where you cannot really do well with a pulse rifle. It's just a little too close to do well, and the burst fire will not be enough for you to kill the enemy. Anyway, other news and what I'm going to be doing. Later on this week, since I am a very, very avid Bloodborne fan, they're coming out with Bloodborne, the Old Hunters. And before that comes out, I'm going to do 3 runs through the game with 3 different characters, which I'm going to refer to as Bloodborne Paths of the Hunter. Paths of Strength and Paths of Finesse. Okay? And each one's going to have a different hunter build. One of them is going to be more of a balance. That's the one I'm going to start out with. One is going to be strength-based, and one of them is going to be skill-based. Now, I'm going to have some rules there.
Rumble.
Which I'm going to tell you after probably in a different broadcast. I'll tell you whenever I actually do. Hey. Oh. What the heck, game? Seriously, you start us all off like literally within 2 feet of each other. And of course, a sniper is ready to kill me whenever I come there. Stupid spawn systems in the game. It's like, it sets me up to kill me. And you can see why I refer to this as a sledge. This is like a jackhammer. Seriously? And they won't even give me a kill. What the hell, game? What the hell? Let's find someone to confront, see if we can maybe do something to them. Seriously? Oh, come on! This is ridiculous! This is ridiculous. Got him. Finally, I got someone. Whoa. Oh, for the love of God! Can't I get 1 kill streak? They're going to be coming that way. Be right on top of me for some. Oh, for the love of God! Ah! Stupid! God damn it! God damn it! It's like I can never find them until they're literally on top of me. Oh, for the love of crap!
Heavy ammo inbound.
What the heck? I'm literally shooting at these guys, and they can just not only dodge every one of my shots. Okay, that does it. Now you get the rocket. I don't care if he killed me, I got him. For the... Okay, this is starting to get a little absurd, as if the game really hates me. It's like, I spawn in, and literally 5 seconds later I'm dead, because someone's right there. Not this time. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Are you kidding me? This game absolutely hates me. Oh, sure. Someone's right there waiting for me. Oh no, 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 no. I am not going to be shot down by another super. Oh, come on! What is it with this game spotting in right where people have supers? Seriously. Seriously. I'm sorry this is turning into an angry rant, but seriously, what is with this game? Not even the dignity of the guy that's shooting me in the front. No, it has to be some coward sneaking up from the back. Not.
Only 5 minutes left.
I have no idea what I have. Oh, for the love of God. Seriously! Why am I being made into a... Oh, for you gotta be kidding me! Freaking... You've gotta be kidding me. It literally throws me into situations where I have no idea where to go. And almost immediately I'm dead. That's 2. See how many times I can kill someone before I die.
Heavy ammo on the way.
Yeah, sidearm would have been a better option right there. Odds are I can probably kill a few people rushing towards that. Oh, sorry, he has heavy ammo. Gotta be careful right here, and there are people over on this direction. Yeah, I knew it!
Defeat is imminent.
Seriously, I absolutely hate rumble modes. I hate Crucible in general, I will not deny that. I just... There's some things that really, really tick me off, though. At least in games like Control, I can actually contribute to the victories. But if you can tell between all my cursing and my screaming and my agonies, yeah, while it is a good weapon if you can control it, the sledge type pulse rifle, lot of recoil. It's got decent amount of a kick to it, so gotta watch out for that, or get things that improve stability. As I said, these are just the base stocks of it. And well, I got steamrolled. What can I say? Hopefully you had fun laughing at the expense of my dignity. So hope you enjoyed that. Tune into another live play next time, and this is Oz out.